Oh man. I don't know what to do with the ears though. I guess the ears
Just
gotta
cut 'em
go
off.
back. Hey, wait, sit. Sit.
It looks gangster. Have it all sideways.
You look so angry. Jack, come here. Come here. Santa Jack. Jack.
Look at that on purpose.
I know.
There you go.
There we go. Look at you. Santa Jack. Santa Jack, go. Go. Come here.
He wants to shake. He wants to shake his head, but he doesn't want to ring the bells.
Come up here. Jack.
He's like, look what she did to me.
Okay. I need a close up. Oh, he looks so mad.
Aw, he's so cute.
No. Up here.
Oh, he wants to shake that off, but yeah, you don't like it.
Well, I won.
Did you? What'd you